Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 9. The surfaces of conveyor belts are made rough so as to A. Prevents the load from slipping, B. Make them stronger, C. Enable them carry more load, D. Protects them while carrying load. So we asked the reason why the surface of conveyor belts are made rough. Now conveyor belts are often found in machines or machines used in industries to convey or to carry certain load, okay, for bearing or carrying certain load. Now this making of surfaces rough is basically based on friction, okay, and friction is more or less referred to as the force which opposes the motion between two surfaces in contact. Okay, so this is what friction is. So of course the conveyor belts are going to be in contact with certain parts of the machine, and hence the conveyor belt is placed there so as to help bear the particular load. Now why are they made rough? Now this is an advantage of friction, and one of the advantages of friction is its use in fan belts and conveyor belts, okay, fan belts or conveyor belts, okay, over wheels or pulleys in machinery. Now the surfaces are made rough. The rough surfaces ensure that there is enough friction, okay, and the reason why there needs to be enough friction is to prevent slipping, to prevent the moving parts from slipping, and as a consequence of that to also prevent the load which the conveyor belt is carrying from slipping. So to prevent the load from slipping is option A. Option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.